Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine. Thank you. Today we shall discuss a 8th class English lesson. The name of the lesson is The Thief and the Tiger. We have already discussed some of its paragraphs. Today we shall discuss the rest paragraph. And the rest begins with the paragraph 4. Yes, it is paragraph 4. Could you understand? The paragraph SGP2, that is SGP2, and this is paragraph 4. Yes. Okay. The day dawned. What did I say? The day dawned. Dawned means pratyusha, pahantia. So dawned verb, ସକାଳ ହେଲା, ପାହାନ୍ତିଆ ହେଲା. The day dawned, darkness disappeared. When day dawned, ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ସକାଳ ହେଲା, ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଉଦୟ ହେଲେ, ପ୍ରତ୍ୟୁଷ ହେଲା, the darkness disappeared. dark ଅନ୍ଧାର ଦୂରେଇ ଗଲା, disappear ଅଦୃଶ୍ୟ ହୋଇଗଲା. Could you understand? When night comes, it becomes dark. ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ରାତି ଆସେ, ଏହା ଅନ୍ଧାର ହେଇଯାଏ. ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ସକାଳ ହୁଏ, ଅନ୍ଧାର ଦୂରେଇ ଯାଏ. Could you understand? So the day dawned means ପାହାନ୍ତିଆ ହେଲା, ସକାଳ ହେଲା. Could you understand? ସକାଳ ହେଲା ବା ପାହାନ୍ତିଆ ହେଲା. So dawned, this is the verb. Darkness disappeared. Darkness, you know, andhara disappeared. Darkness disappeared. Disappeared. Andhara durei gala, adrushya gala. Could you understand what happened? When a day dawned, darkness disappeared. What disappeared? Darkness disappeared. When the day dawned, when it became morning. Could you understand? When the sun rose in the east, then only ତାପରେ only କେବଳ did the thief, what did I say? Did the thief see that ସେତେବେଳେ ଯାଇକିରି ଚୋର ଦେଖିଲା that he was riding a tiger. He was riding a tiger. Who saw? The thief saw what? He was riding a tiger. ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଘ
ଉପରେ ବସିଛି.
ବାଘ ପିଠିରେ ବସି ତାକୁ ଚଢ଼ଉଛି. When he came to know it, when it became morning, ସକାଳ ଯେମିତି ହେଲା ସେ ଜାଣିଲା. He could not understand that he was riding a tiger because he could not see anything. କିଛି ଦେଖିପାରୁନଥିଲା in the darkness, ଅନ୍ଧାରରେ. When it became morning, he saw that he was riding a tiger. You think what might have happened to him? ତାର କ'ଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଥିବ ଚିନ୍ତା କର. ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣିଲା, when he came to know that he was riding a tiger, think what might have happened, must have happened to him. କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିବ ତା ଅବସ୍ଥା. He was frightened. Who was frightened?
The thief.
The thief was frightened. Frightened means ଡରିଗଲା. Frightened means ଡରିଗଲା. ପୁରା ଏକାଥରେ ଡରିଗଲା. When he came to know that he was riding a tiger, he was frightened. ଡରିଗଲା. The tiger was also running very fast out of fear. Fear means ଭୟ. Out of fear means ଭୟରେ. ଭୟରେ ବାଘ ମଧ୍ୟ ଧାଉଁଥିଲା. Could you understand? The tiger was running very fast. ବହୁତ କ୍ଷିପ୍ର ଗତିରେ ଧାଉଁଥିଲା. Who? The tiger. Out of what? Out of fear. ବାଘକୁ फागर भय फाग को कुड अंडरस्टैंड और हट द टाइगर वाज फ्राइटेंड द thief was also frightened ये डरी गलाने सी डरी गलाने could understand the thief could not think the thief could not think चोर भाभी पारलानी think means भाबीबा could not think भाभी पारलानी who could not think the thief could not think what to do कौन करिबी चोर भाभी पलानी व्हाट टू डू कौन करी कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टू डू इन दिस केस इन दिस सिचुएशन यही परिस्थिति रे मते कौन करिया पड़ियो चोर किसी बुझी पारला नहीं ही वाज अबाउट टू फेंट मूर्छा इज फेंट मीन्स मूर्छा ही वाज अबाउट टू फेंट प्राय मूर्छित अवस्था को पड़े While running ଯେତେବେଳେ ଧାଉଁଥିଲା ଦି ଟାଇଗର ପାସଡ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଏ ଟ୍ରି ବାଘ ଧାଇଁଲା ଆଡ଼କୁ ହୁ ୱାଜ୍ ରନିଂ ଦି ଟାଇଗର ୱାଜ୍ ରନିଂ ଧାଇଁଲା ଆଡ଼କୁ ବାଘ ଧାଇଁଲା ଆଡ଼କୁ ହି ପାସଡ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଏ ଟ୍ରି ଧାଇଁଲା ଆଡ଼କୁ ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ତଳ ଦେଇକି ଅତିକ୍ରମ କଲା ପାସଡ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଅତିକ୍ରମ କଲା ଅଣ୍ଡର ଦି ଟ୍ରିରେ ଗଛ ତଳ ଦେଇ ଗଲା ଦ ଥିପ୍ କଟ୍ ହୋଲ୍ଡ କିଏ ଅଛି କଟ୍ कट होल्ड धरी पकेला
से गथ दांग
या कट होल्ड अफ ए ब्रांच बेले गछर शाखा टाकू धरी पकेला एंड क्लाइंबड अप द ट्री क्लाइंबड मीन्स चढ़ी पड़ला गछ ऊपर चढ़ी पड़ला हु द थिप दिस वाज ए वेरी गुड चांस फॉर द थिप टू गेट एस्केप फ्रॉम द टाइगर्स to get escape from the tiger could understand what the thief do the thief caught hold of a branch and climbed up the tree he made a very good thing otherwise he would not have been rescued safe he would not have been safe नहले निरापदरे रही पारि नथांदा He made a great job. Could understand? Who made a good job? Tell me. The thief. The tiger was very happy. Who was very happy? The tiger was very happy. Both were very happy. The thief was happy and the tiger was happy. The thief thought I was saved. The tiger thought that he was saved. It was saved. बाघ भाविला मु बंचीगली मनुष्य भाविला मु बंचीगली कुड अंडरस्टैंड हु वाज हैप्पी द टाइगर वाज वेरी हैप्पी इट ran into the forest who the tiger ran into the forest एज फास्ट एज इट कुड जेते क्षिप्र गति रे धाई पारिया कथा सेते क्षिप्र गति रे अरे जंगल भितर पसी गला हु ran into the forest the tiger ran into the forest who climbed up the tree with the help of the branch thief could understand so both were relaxed next one is paragraph here question comprehension questions yes when did the thief come to know केतला जानियो पाइला that he was riding a tiger The thief came to know that he was riding a tiger when it dawned. In the morning. The thief came to know that he was riding a tiger. Or when it dawned. 2. How did he save himself? The tiger was running. While running, the tiger passed under a tree. In the meantime, the thief caught hold of a branch of the tree and climbed up it. And he saved himself. While on the way, the thief caught hold of a branch of a tree, could understand, and climbed up and saved himself. Question number 3. Why was the tiger happy? The tiger was happy that he was rescued or saved from the thief. Could understand? The powerful person. Okay. The tiger was afraid of the thief as it thought that he was very powerful. When the thief climbed up the tree, the tiger was free from him, so it was happy. Next paragraph.
Second.
What did I say? Next paragraph. Which paragraph? Yes, 5 is here. Okay. Yes. Read the paragraphs. Read the paragraphs 5 to 8 silently and answer the questions that follow. After some time, किछि समय पर, some time means किछि समय पर, after some time, the thief got down. What did the thief do?
Thief got down.
Got down means तळु ओल्हेइला. Who got down? The thief got down. The thief had climbed up the tree. Could understand? After some time, when the tiger was gone, the thief come down. तळुକୁ ଆସିଲା, got down. And rested under the tree. Rested means ବିଶ୍ରାମ ନେଲା. Rested means ବିଶ୍ରାମ ନେଲା. Under the tree, ଗଛ ତଳେ ବିଶ୍ରାମ ଦେଲା. Who rested under the tree? The thief rested under the tree. He was very afraid. Afraid means भयभीत, very संपूर्ण भयभीत ହେଇଥିଲା. And tired, क्लांत, हालिया निस्तिया ହେଇଥିଲା. Who was afraid, very afraid and tired? The thief was. So he slept like a dead man. So he slept. Slept means ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଲା. Like ପରି, a dead man. ଗୋଟେ ମୃତ ଲୋକ ପରି ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଲା. Who slept like a dead man? Who slept? The thief slept. Where? Under the tree. Like what? Like a dead man. A wolf came. Who came? A wolf. ଗୋଟେ ଗଧିଆ ଆସିଲା. Came that way and thought the man to be dead. Good wolf. Who came? The wolf. He thought that the man was dead. ସେ ଭାବିଲା ଯେ ଲୋକଟା ମରି ଯାଇଛି. And he was happy that he was going to have a good meal. ଭଲ ଗୋଟେ ଆଜି ଖାଇବାକୁ ମିଳିବ ବୋଲିକିରି he was ଖୁସି ହେଲା. Right? So man thought that the man to be dead. It said to itself. ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ କହିଲା. The wolf said to itself. ତାକୁ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ କହିଲା. What a good lunch. What a good lunch. What a good lunch. अरे किड़े गोटे लंच मो पाखे सुंदर लंच गोटे मिलगला बोले. दिस डेड मैन विल लास्ट मी मोर देन ए वीक. मु ए लोकटा मु 7 दिन पर्यंत खाइबी. बढ़िया गोटे मिल. आई गॉट ए गुड मिल. इट विल लास्ट minimum 7 days. So he was happy. Who was happy? The wolf was happy because he got a good lunch. He thought. But someone should help me. किंतु मत तो किए जन साहाଯ୍य करियो ना. How can I take it? Wolf is thinking like this. भाबुची. Yes, no doubt it is a good meal. It will last for 7 days. But one should help me. मत किए जन साहाଯ୍य करियो को पड़िबो. So what someone should help me drag बेले टाणी घोषारी नेबाकू the dead body. एट मृत शरीर घोषारी नेउ तो मत जने someone should help me. मत साहाଯ୍य करिया पड़ियो. Thinking so एमिति भाबी the wolf went in search of अन्वेषण रे खोजा रे गला एनादरे एनिमल. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପଶୁକୁ खोजारे गला द वन हु वुड हेल्प द वुल्फ हु वेंट इन सर्च ऑफ गो वेंट गॉन गला हु वेंट इन सर्च ऑफ another animal the wolf why that animal would help him to drag the dead body it made the same tiger in the forest while searching से खोजू खोजू द वुल्फ मेट साक्षात मेट साक्षात कला दि सेम टाइगर इन द फॉरेस्ट से बाघ एका साक्षात कला हु द वुल्फ मेट विथ हुम द टाइगर दि सेम टाइगर
ସାର୍ ଯୋଉ ବାଘ ଉପରେ ସେ ବଇଥିଲା ତାକୁ ବା
जे धाई पड़े जो बाघ धाई ताको भेटिला इट सेड वुल्फ सेड मिस्टर टाइगर महाशय बाघ विल यू प्लीज हेल्प मी
ମତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ
मत टिके साहाଯ୍य करिवो कि ड्रैग ए डेड बॉडी गोटे मृत शरीर को घोषारी घोषारी आनियारे टिके साहाଯ୍य करियो कि मिस्टर टाइगर हु सेड लाइक दिस द वुल्फ सेड टू हुम टू द टाइगर आई शैल गिव हाफ इट टू यू मु तुमको आर अधा दे देबी इफ यू हेल्प मी ड्रैग द डेड बॉडी आई शैल गिव हाफ इट मु आर अधा तुमको दे दे तुम जो साहाଯ୍य करियो हु सेड हुम किए का कहला द वुल्फ सेड टू द टाइगर आफ्टर द नाइट्स एक्सपीरियंस रातिर अनुभूति अभिज्ञता पर द टाइगर वाज सस्पिशियस संदेहपूर्ण दृष्टि थिला सस्पिशियस संदेह है इट आस्क्ड पचारा आर यू नॉट गोइंग टू चीट मीन्स ठकिवा तू मत ठकीदेबुन तो हु आस्क्ड हुम द टाइगर आस्क्ड द वुल्फ बिकॉज द टाइगर सस्पेक्टेड संदेह कला समथिंग इज फिशी देयर समथिंग इज रॉन्ग देयर हु सस्पेक्टेड इट द टाइगर सस्पेक्टेड इट सो ही आस्क्ड आर यू नॉट गोइंग टू चीट मी चीट बेले ठकिबा चीट मीन्स ठकिबा तो मत ठकी देबुन तो हु आस्क्ड हुम द टाइगर आस्क्ड द वुल्फ won't you run what did he say won't you तू धाई पड़ोबुन तो who asked the tiger asked तू धाई पड़ोबुन तो yes paragraph 7 the wolf and the tiger tied wait no yes okay won't you run here is the rest one won't you run away leaving me alone मत एकुटिया छाड़ी तू धाई पड़ो alone means एकुटिया could understand alone means एकुटिया leaving means छाड़ी run away धाई पड़ो तो who asked the tiger asked the wolf suggested उपदेश देला परामर्श वी शैल टाई इच अदर वित्तीय रोप आम परस्पर गोटे दौड़ बांधिदेवा कुड अंडरस्टैंड आम परस्पर को गोटे दौड़ बांधिदेवा रोप मीन्स रोप दौड़ी टाई मीन्स बांधिदेवा कुड अंडरस्टैंड ओके नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट इज पैराग्राफ 7 The wolf and the tiger, what did I say? The wolf and the tiger tied. Tied means बांधी देले. Each other बीतिए rope. Rope means दौड़ी. ओबे को दौड़ी बांधी देले. Who tied whom? The tiger and the wolf tied each other बीतिए rope and went to the dead man carefully. सजत्न रे dead man पाखको मृत लोक पाखक गले द थीप गट एवेक चोर उठी पड़ला गट एवेक मीन्स उठी पड़ला चोर गट एवेक द थीप गट एवेक हियर देयर फुटस्टेप्स हियर मीन्स सुनिले हियर हेड सुनिले फुटस्टेप्स मीन्स पदपात शब्द शुणिले पाद शब्द शुणिला हु द थिप एंड आउट ऑफ फियर भय साउटेड चित्कार कला व्हाट टाइगर कौन है बाघ हु साउटेड लाइक दिस द थिप एने यू हैव कम अगेन तू पुणी आउथरे आसचु कौन है बाघ तू पुणी आउथरे आसचु कि हु सेड इट द थिप सेड इट सीइंग द थिप सीइंग मीन्स देखी सी सासीन सीइंग द थिप चोर को देखी द टाइगर गॉट फ्राइटेंड मीन्स यू नो भयभीत होगा डरीगला ड्रैगिंग इट टानी टानी घोषारी दी उल्फ इट रेन उल्फ को घोषारी टानी टानी रेन धाइला एज फास्ट एज इट कुड जिमिति धाइया कथा धाइला लुक एट द पिक्चर
सर ये धाई पड़ोजी ये तले घुसड़ी
राइट could understand
सर थिप ट्री
who do you think will die the wolf being dragged down
सर ये आको देखी डरेला नहीं ये आको देखी
right you are right the dragging the wolf it ran as fast as it could the poor wolf died who died nirio godia died mala since that day ସେଇ ଦିନ ଠାରୁ the tiger promised means ଶପଥ କଲା promised ଶପଥ କଲା not to desire who promised the tiger promised what not to desire ଅଭିଳାଷ କରିବାକୁ କାମନା ବାଞ୍ଚନା न କରିବାକୁ desire means କାମନା ବାଞ୍ଚନା କରିବା ଅଭିଳାଷ କରିବା for human flesh again मनीष मांस खाइबे लिखा से अभिलाष कला नहीं हु द टाइगर बिकॉज ही वाज टॉट ए गुड लेसन भल शिक्षाटी पाइला गुड अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट द थीप वाज हैप्पी टू चोर मध्य खुशी हो गला बिकॉज ही वाज सेव्ड अगेन फ्रॉम द टाइगर ही गेव अप स्टीलिंग सी मत गेव अप गिवेन अप मीन्स त्याग करदेला परित्याग कला स्टीलिंग हेल्ले चोरी करवा फ्रॉम दैट डे से दिन ठार सी चोरी करियाटा छाड़देला हु द थिप ओके कम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चंस व्हाई डिड द थिप फॉल फास्ट asleep could understand the thief fell fast asleep because he was afraid and tired because he was afraid and tired okay who saw him what was his plan a wolf saw him a wolf what was his plan thinking that a man was dead he planned to eat the dead body for more than a week okay what did he want the tiger to do he wanted the tiger to help him drag the dead body the dead body. Next, what did the tiger say? The tiger asked the wolf if he was not going to cheat him. He also asked him if he would not run away, leaving him alone. 5. Won't you run away, leaving me alone? Who said this? The tiger said this. The tiger. What did the wolf say? The wolf said that they would tie each other with a rope. They would tie each other with a rope. With a rope. Okay. What evoked the thief? The footsteps. The footsteps sound. This the sound of footsteps. Footsteps. Or the footsteps sounds so. This is the answer. The footsteps sounds so evoke the thief. Utthaidala, neither utthaidala. Number 8. Number 8 is, why did the tiger run away? The tiger saw the thief and got frightened, so it ran away. How did the wolf die? Dragging the wolf, the tiger ran very fast. In this way, the wolf died. Question number 10. What did the tiger promise? The tiger promised not to desire for human flesh again. Not to desire the human flesh again. Next one, what did the thief stop doing? The thief stop stealing. Okay. With this, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the post reading part in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.